Hello, everybody. So, last year when I was making this video, I was actually going for my internship. It was the same week, it was 1st Aprilish around. And this year, when I'm making this video, I'm actually leaving college. Today is our officially last day. We're done with our scribble things. And lately, since all of you all are going to be coming to college within the next 2 months, I have fussed with questions. Although most of the questions I've already addressed in my last video, which is things you should know about SIBM Nagpur before actually coming to SIBM Nagpur, but this might be a little more serious version of it, addressing even more serious questions since I am in the leadership room, which you're going to see later on. And it's a very fun room, and most of our shoots happen here, by the way. So, yeah, let me just start. So, I have been getting a lot of questions about okay, placements. Are the placements inflated? As a current student of SIBM Nagpur, I would not say placements are inflated. The numbers are very much transparent, but I would any day suggest everybody to go and believe the data that is on website. The numbers are there for a reason. The company profiling is there. You guys need to dig deep and not just because it's a wave that everybody says that placement stats are inflated. It's actually not the case. If you just check the reports properly and if you talk to few students who have been placed, students are real jinko packages mile. I mean, I know those people who have gotten the highest package or have gotten the second highest package, average package. So it's you cannot just fake numbers. It's just a bizarre thing, and I get so many questions regarding it. Second video is how's the second question? So sorry. How's the culture at SIBM Nagpur? Is it very hectic and da da da? So the culture at SIBM Nagpur, it's basically it's a student driven culture. We have a lot of things, we have a lot of activities that keep happening, but yes, it is hectic. It is not a college will which will give you easy. It is a college that is gonna test you at every point of time. It does comes with its hardships, but if you pull it through, you're going to excel. So, if I talk about in general culture and student life, to begin with, we have a lot of events, we have a lot of committees, we have amazing student life in terms of so when there are events and fests happening, we have our annual fest, we have in general intellectual fest and then fun fest, both are segregated. So in both of the fest, students do a lot of fun, not just in terms of learning and just वो होता है ना कि एक होता है डीजे वाला फन, एक होता है कि आप बस in general the vibe of the campus has changed. So I think it's more of that. So we have few of our flagship events are Bazaar Boulevard is there. Then we have Darpan, which is the media fest. Last year, say we have started TEDx. Then we also have our annual cultural fest, which is hosted by the cultural committee. 3-4 दिन का फेस्ट होता है. A lot of things keep happening all through the year, and it's just fun. It's but I'd suggest if you were to choose being an audience and being a part of hosting, I'd say be the part of hosting because that's the most fun out of it. I mean, people who are a part of the committees who host these events, it is very hectic. It is a task which comes with a lot of responsibilities, but it is so fun. Trust me, I've hosted so many events. I've been a part of committees. I've been, on the back end of the teams, and I would choose it any day than being an audience. Then and then yes, of course, you have to manage your time well, you have to do a lot of things. Then another question, what kind of clothes should we carry, formals, uniform, or okay. So clothing question I answered in my previous video as well. You got to carry formals, of course, because formals are so in the academic block you cannot wear casual clothes. You have to be in formals given it's a B school, but you do get the college uniform here. But I suggest the uniform barely people wear. Uniform, you have white shirt, blue pants, blue blazer, but take your own formals. I mean, you gotta dress smartly, right? You can have so many pairings. The guys can have so many options. The girls get so many options for formals. Wear beautiful clothes, look smart. It helps. The way you dress helps build your personality. You're going to be groomed well. So yes, carry a lot of formals. And knowing about the fest, all the festivals are celebrated here at SIBM Nagpur. Navratri hoga, आपका प्रॉपर नवरात्रि में गरबा होता है. So you got to carry your traditionals if you want. Then freshers में you'll wear western dresses if you want. Again, of course, it's subjective. It's somebody's choice. But I'm just putting it out there that it's the in general aesthetic of the situation that happens. Then of course carry casuals, बिकॉज तुम सिर्फ पढ़ने नहीं वाले हो, एकेडमिक ब्लॉक में नहीं रहने वाले हो. देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो आप करोगे अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज. नागपुर इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल सिटी. इट हैज़, I won't say a lot to explore, but still, it's gonna be your home for the next 2 years. So you do have stuff which you can explore here. There are a lot of cafes that you can go outside. So just carry nice outfits. But yes, I will again mention this thing: do not overpack, because you're anyways gonna come here and you're gonna shop. You're anyways gonna वो होते हैं ना environment के हिसाब से चीज़ लो. So don't come with just because you're coming in trains and your parents are dropping और flight में आ रहे हो तो बहुत सारा लगेज लेके आ सकते हो. तो सब कुछ भर लिया, क्योंकि hostels पे इतनी ज़्यादा जगह नहीं होती है. You get like one wardrobe each person and then you have like your own study tables. So बहुत ज़्यादा stuff को manage करना issue हो जाता है. I overpacked when I came, so I went through with it. So that's why I'm just putting it out there. And you can always use organizers. So do order organizers from Amazon. The sticky. Oh, somebody also asked in the comments, what's the sticky thing that you mentioned I can't find on Amazon? Just write the sticky thing on the wall. I mean, it's like the sticky organizer. वही description है, or I'll just try to put a link in the comments if possible for me. Let's move on to the next question. Is SIBM Nagpur worth joining? It was worth it for me. Again, it's a very subjective question. I don't think a person should trust what the person, सामने वाला person is saying worth it है या नहीं है. I could have had a beautiful experience. Somebody XYZ person could have had a terrible experience, but you cannot decide your future basis somebody else's experience. That is what my opinion in life is. But if you ask, it was worth it for me because I learned, I grew, I evolved as a person here, and I got confident. I got a beautiful network, not just the social network that you make in your MBA, but also the corporate network you build, because SIBM Nagpur as a college provides a lot of corporate opportunities. You're going to be buzzed with corporate sessions, in general talks, not just placement talks. There's going to be, you know, we have a thing called Unnayans. I don't think the name probably could change next year, but corporate talks where just corporate people just come in and they have conversations. So always ask questions, always have a conversation with them. But having said that, coming back to the point, so I've built the network, and the network that I've built here has helped me start my business, which is now going well. So yes, it was worth it for me. And okay, so how's nightlife at SIBM Nagpur? I mean, what do you mean by nightlife? It's a residential campus. Everything is nightlife. You can walk. So we do have a 24/7 library. You have access, especially MBA people have access to walk around campus. You can walk around overnight. You can chill. We have a very nice cafe out there, and then you can eat good food and all those things. So you can eat nice food. We have yummy bakers. You can have fries, sandwiches at night. That's the kind of nightlife we have. But if by nightlife you're asking if you can go out at overnight, no, you cannot until you get a formal permission from the college and the campus. Because it's not just the college that allows, you also have to take permission from your hostel, campus admin, and all those things. So that's a different kind of process, which I'm not getting into, by the way, because kabhi bhi change ho jata hai. Okay. What's another question? Oh, this is a very important one. That now that we have 2-3 months left, what should we do? How should we prep before coming to the college? So I did an internship before I came to SIBM Nagpur, which really helped. And मैंने marketing में की थी, and my specialization is also marketing. So it helped me just see through the practical parts of it. However, if somebody is not getting internship right now, all you can do is either go for life projects. Build your LinkedIn. It is very important. Anybody who's going to come here, guys, build your LinkedIn. Start building your LinkedIn at least. Of course, you're going to have a lot of sessions when you come here, but still अपनी side से करके आओ. Do life projects. वो भी अगर नहीं possible है, opportunity नहीं आ रही है. So do courses. Not just the Excel and all words. I know everybody says that, but maybe do like a skill development course, or maybe maybe you can learn about something related to AI, but something unconventional. Because Excel यहाँ सब करके आने वाले हैं. Microsoft Office, everybody is going to be equipped with. So pick up a skill, maybe learn maybe do like a content creation thing, or maybe do like a AI thing, whichever interests you. You can do Bloomberg ke courses if you're a finance person. So these courses, but religiously do it, not just for the sake of doing it, because these courses are going to help you out in analyzing stuff, and they might also help you out in getting your initial internships and placements, क्योंकि internship process बहुत जल्दी start हो जाता है. So when you're gonna come here, जितना तुम्हें time लगेगा settle होने में, उतने में companies आनी start हो जाएंगी. So the college does provide a lot of placement support, but you should always have your own backup, and you should always have your own learning to back in with, because there is only to a point that college can do. If you are not willing to let college do, or if you're not working on your own, there is nothing the college can provide. As a physical entity, all the stakeholders, they will provide you with resources and opportunities. But अगर तुम्हें काम करना ही नहीं है, you can not come here with the entitlement कि हमने तो फीस दे दी तो अब हमें प्लेसमेंट मिल ही जाएगी, या मिलनी ही चाहिए, या कॉलेज को दिलानी है. नहीं, कॉलेज कंपनीज लेके आएगा. अगर आप सिलेक्ट नहीं हो रहे हो, इट इज़ ऑन यू. कॉलेज आपको प्रिपरेशंस भी कराएगा, बैक टू बैक resume building workshops, then we have grooming workshops, then we have aptitude tests, we have literally there is a whole planner of pre-placement activities that is prepared, जिसमें आपको सारे skills सिखाते हैं, interview practices, mock trials, GD practices. This is a recurring process. So college will do everything in college's power to get you equipped. But if you are not willing to work, and if you show up with an entitlement, then not just SIBM Nagpur, I don't think any college is worth it. You might as well just not do an MBA. So yeah, this was my take, and this is me signing off as an official student of SIBM Nagpur. But since I am very attached to the college, if there's any more questions, anybody wants to connect with me, I'm always open on any of the social media platforms, and I am really looking forward to see you all as a super senior. I will see you all on Instagram page and LinkedIn page of SIBM Nagpur. So all the best, kill it.